As you can clearly see, these cucumbers have rapidly outgrown their current environment, and we need to get them into their proper growing conditions right away. Our primary task for today is getting our Corinto cucumbers into a more permanent setup. Refilling those quart jars every day is getting to be a bit much, and they really need far more room to grow efficiently. So Daniel picked up the 12-gallon tote, as mentioned in an earlier video. I need to drill 2 3-inch holes to accommodate the 3-inch net pots. So we'll get to work on doing that. We start by drilling forward just to get the pilot hole started, and then we reverse the drill, and it keeps us from tearing the plastic to ribbons. It also keeps our arms from getting torqued too hard. That simple. Now we'll clean up the holes. Whenever starting with a vessel, be sure to wash it well. I'm more concerned with the brand new vessel actually than residual from a previously used vessel, although I do wash out the vessel in both circumstances. But when it comes fresh from the factory, many times there are mold release agents that could probably be toxic to both the plants and to us eating the fruits. I don't know how much the fruits would uptake, but I really don't want to find out. So this got a very good washing with some Shaklee Basic H and some water, and now we're ready to fill it with our nutrient solution, which will be General Hydroponics MaxiGrow. Again, our chosen ratio, 1.5 teaspoons per gallon of water. We are going to go Kratky with this. We've never done Kratky cucumbers indoors, but we've done them with great success outdoors. And I just don't want to run any more airline tubing at this time and mess with the pumps. So it's an experiment, kind of, sort of. We have confidence that it will work well. Again, we're using the insulation material to block out most of the ambient light and help prevent algae growth. We picked this up at Lowe's some time ago. We got, I believe it was a 25-foot roll. At the time, the price wasn't too exorbitant, but since the whole COVID shortage began, prices have gone up, so I won't even give you a guesstimate as to what they cost right now. We've been overwhelmed by current pricing on items. And as you can see, this little vessel is having a very difficult time supporting this much top growth. Look at those beautiful roots. We'll work on training these upward And we'll eventually, probably within a week or so, be getting the items on the top shelves off so that we can train the cucumbers upward towards the ceiling. They will probably reach the ceiling and come back down again. That's been our experience with all of our past grows. Again, those beautiful roots. One thing we do want to do is come in and take off any side branches that are coming in. I'll try to get a close-up before I snap it off with my fingers. This is such a small growing environment that we want to keep the plants as contained as possible, which is easier said than done. These were started on September 21st, and today is October 24th. These have been the most rapid growing cucumber seedlings that we've grown indoors to date, probably because we're using a stronger nutrient solution. While I believe the cultivar is a strong one, I don't think it's that much stronger, if any stronger at all, than the green light that we grew earlier this year. I just believe that the nutrient solution at this slightly higher strength really does the job at properly supporting strong growth and hopefully strong fruit production. And that's all there is to it. We'll keep you posted. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.